How's it going, guys? Sean from Mercedes-Benz Barrie. I just wanted to take a couple of minutes, talk about parking assist, maybe show you guys the feature if you haven't seen it before. So we're going to turn on our parking assist button. It's the one with a P and a camera. That's going to pull up our parking assist screen here. We're going to slowly drive forward and look for some spots as we're driving. The spots will be suggested by the car as we pass them. You'll hear a beep as it comes up, just like so. So we're going to allow a little bit of space. I'm going to stop. You'll see the spot lines will appear on the screen. There we go. I'm going to press reverse, select. It's going to ask if I want to forward or reverse park. I'm going to choose reverse. Now all I need to do is control the speed. So I have my foot on the brake and then I'm controlling the speed as I gas and brake, and then the car is going to steer for me. Park Assist is available on almost all of our models. It comes anything from an A-Class to a G-Wagon. Alright, so there we have it, guys. That is Park Assist. It's one of the features that a lot of people don't use. If you guys have any questions about it, by all means come and see me at Mercedes-Benz Barrie. I'd be happy to take you through it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.